Trachelospermum jasminoides. That's a bit of a mouthful. This is star jasmine. It's a beautiful Mediterranean plant, but it's incredibly fragrant. And in fact, where I am right now, it is filling the air with a just magnificent cloud of the most intoxicating perfume that you could imagine. And if you think to how this could be in your garden, you could be sat there during the day or during the early evening, just as the humidity levels at the highest point, and the perfume will fill the air. Literally clouds of gorgeous perfume. It really is beautiful. It's not overpoweringly so. It is soft, it is subtle, it is gentle, but it is just an absolute must. Now, I mentioned Mediterranean, so immediately I'm sure you're thinking, blimey, I'd love one of those, but it won't be hardy in the UK. You couldn't be further from the truth, because these are also hardy. So it's hardy in the UK to at least -5 degrees Celsius. So pretty much anywhere in the UK, this is going to be great outdoors. If you live in a very exposed site, of course, you might need to give it some shelter during very, very hard periods in the winter, but actually mostly not so much. And if you live south of Birmingham, I would say most years you'd get away with this outdoors. North of Birmingham, perhaps grow it in a pot or somewhere where you can actually get some fleece around it if you get some really cold weather, and it will be fine then as well. So what will it do in your garden? Well, this is basically a climber. This is a natural climber. So if you've got an arch or a trellis or an arbor or a pergola, grow this up it. If you put your patio furniture under your pergola, just imagine the perfume dropping down through the atmosphere as you're really relaxing. It's magnificent. It really, really is. The foliage is evergreen, so pretty much all year round you'll have the foliage, but from May all the way through the whole of the summer, you'll get more and more flowers. It will grow to 2.5 meters tall. It will spread maybe 2.5 meters across per plant over time. So you can create a wall of evergreen foliage, which in summer is smothered with literally thousands of beautifully fragrant star-shaped flowers. So the star jasmine, it's probably the most fragrant climber you could wish for, that's hardy, that's Mediterranean, that's evergreen. It ticks so many boxes. I think it looked magnificent in your garden, and I'm going to take this one home and plant it in mine.